Welcome to this quick tutorial where you'll learn how to convert text into a table in Microsoft Word. Whether you're organizing data for a report or just looking to make your documents more visually appealing, creating tables from text can be a real game changer. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open up your document in Microsoft Word where your text is already laid out. Now, it's important to ensure that your text is formatted in a way that can easily be converted into a table. Typically, this means having your data separated by tabs, commas, or paragraphs. This separation is crucial because it tells Word how to split your text into different cells in the table. Once you've got your text ready, go ahead and highlight the section of text you want to convert. Simply click and drag your mouse over the text to select it. If you're working with a large document, you might find it helpful to use the keyboard shortcut by holding down the Shift key and using the arrow keys to extend your selection. This can be a bit faster and more precise. With your text highlighted, head over to the top of the Word window and click on the Insert tab in the ribbon. This tab is where you'll find various options for adding different elements to your document, like pictures, shapes, and of course tables. Now, look for the Table option in the toolbar. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to select Convert Text to Table. This option is your gateway to transforming that block of text into a neatly organized table. After selecting Convert Text to Table, a pop-up box will appear. This is where you get to customize how your table will look. The first thing you'll notice is the row and column counts. Word will automatically detect how many rows and columns you might need based on your selected text, but it's always a good idea to double-check and make sure it aligns with what you're expecting. Next, you'll need to decide how you want your text to be separated in the table. Remember how you initially formatted your text with tabs, commas, or paragraphs? This is where it comes into play. Choose the appropriate option that matches your text's original formatting. For instance, if your data was separated by tabs, select Tabs as your separator. Once you've set everything up and double-check that the rows and columns look right, go ahead and click OK. Word will work its magic, and just like that, your text will be transformed into a table. And there you have it. You've successfully converted your text into a table in Microsoft Word. This feature is incredibly useful for organizing data and making your documents easier to read and understand. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. If you find that the table doesn't quite look right after conversion, you can easily adjust the column widths or row heights by clicking and dragging the borders in the table. This gives you more control over the appearance and ensures everything fits perfectly. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you're now feeling more confident in converting text to tables in Word. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides and tips. See you next time.